In this problem, we are told that the mean or average of 5 integers is 52. So I have 5 arbitrary numbers at this point. When I divide by 5, I end up with 52. Then I'm told that the median of these 5 numbers, so when I order them from least to greatest, the middle number will be 82. Now it provides me 3 of the numbers, and we need to figure out what could possibly be one of the missing 2 numbers. So this is going to take a little bit of time, but the complexity of it is not too great. So I'm going to start by writing down what I know. I know one of the numbers is 0, one is 12, and 82. And they may not be in this order. They may be the missing numbers D and E could potentially be between 12 and 82. Okay, so this is a fact that I know. I know that I'm given 3 of the 5 numbers and the average is 52. So I want to figure out what is D and E combined. So how do I do that? Well, the first step is I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. Now the 5's on the left-hand side are going to simplify to 1, and I'm going to add up. 0 plus 12 plus 82 is 94. So 94 plus these unknown numbers is equal to 52 times 5. So I grab a calculator, oops, just dropped it. I grab a calculator, and 52 times 5 is 260. Now I'm going to still keep D and E together. I'm going to subtract 94 from 260, and I end up with 166. So what I do know is that 2 numbers that are the unknown of the 5, I know 3 of the 5. And these 2 other numbers, the fact that I know is that they add up to 166. The other fact I know is that when I list them in line, 82 is in the middle. So I'm going to write on this paper. So I have 5 numbers, and I know for a fact that 82 is the median. The median or middle of the 5 numbers is 82. Okay, next up. I've got my kids in the background. So let's put in what we know. We know that when we identify the median, it has to be in order from least to greatest. So I have 0 and I have 12. I have the 2 missing pieces, which I refer to as D and E. Okay? So when you put them in order and I have 2 missing pieces, these 2 missing numbers have to be greater than 82. So anything that is less than 82 would not work for D or E. So I'm able to cross out F and also cross out G. Now let's check. Could it be 84? Well, I'm going to make a little table here. It doesn't matter if 84 belonged to D or it belonged to E. But if it was 84, what I know is that the combination of these 2 missing pieces must add up to 166. So I'm going to grab my calculator and go 166 minus 84, and I get 82. 166 minus 84 is 82. So that means if 84 was a possibility, then the other number, so if D was 84, then E must be 82. So let's assume, let's see if that works. So 82 and 84. Now let's check and see, would the average of these still be 52? Let's add them up. 0 plus 12 plus 82 plus 82 plus 84 divided by 5. It checks that first box. The average of these numbers is in fact 52. Also, in order from least to greatest, the middle number is 82. It checks that box. What does that mean? It means that 84 could be one of the following missing integers. Correct answer is H.